We're going to start something new here on My PI Dream. We're going to have something that's called My PI Dream in 5 minutes or less. This is going to be a quickie version of something I find really interesting, and I want to get out to you so very fast, and it's not going to be a long episode. So let's go ahead and get today's 5 minute or less My PI Dream video out of the way. So without further delay, let's get today's video underway. Anyway, you see this coconut tree had a ton. We had a ton of coconuts in our front yard here. But these gentlemen over here, they are our coconut harvesting team. And what they do is they go to all of the trees all around the subdivision. You can see we have so many coconut trees around here. Now, one thing, we asked them to leave a few of the coconuts for us here because we like doing things like making Buko smoothies, Buko drinks when we have guests, and we're gonna have a lot of guests this weekend. So what I asked my gardener here, again, to give me, I forgot how to do this process. So what he's doing, he's dehusking the coconuts, and once he dehusks them here, and we'll look at one as he does it from beginning to end. They're going to end up looking like this, so that we don't have to eat them today. What we can do is we can store them in the refrigerator, in the ref. Then we can open them up when we have guests, and we can have fresh Buko at that point. So let's go ahead. We'll watch what he's doing right here. That one's broken. Okay, well this one's broken, and we'll eat those today. We will eat those today. Now, these two, when they fell, they cracked, all the juice came out, so we have to consume them. So you see, the bolo knife that Ponciano is using here, he's using the back of it. He's using the back, and he's just splitting some of the husk on the outside, and he's gonna dehusk it. He's gonna pull that off and get down to that point right there. Now, I gotta tell you, if that were me doing that, I'd have about 3 fingers on my hand right now.
Too small. Matigas.
So anyway, we are in luck. This is the quick and down and dirty how to do this in just a few seconds to be able to get the husk off of the coconut. I gotta get one of these tools. I'd probably cut my hand off with that as well. Pons is actually going to open up one that's ripe right now. It's the Buko and some of the green stuff we have here. It's a little bit older, so it's a little bit tougher. But according to Ness, and you see our Buko eating dog over here. Anyway, according to Ness, the real consistency of the way the Buko should be, it should be kind of like a snotty runny nose. Excuse that term, but that's kind of what she used.
Good.
That's good. That's what we want right there.
This is Buko. This is the...
That's a Buko then.
This is like runny nose. Cheers!
Cheers!
Masarap! This is my coconut girl right here. Anyway, that's about it for today's 5 minute or less episode of My PI Dream. Anyway, like, share, subscribe. Until the next time, you have a wonderful and blessed day. If you enjoyed today's episode and you would like to see more just like these, just click on one of the helpful links over to your right and you might be able to pick up on some good information on DIY projects, how to, or if you are interested in moving to the Philippines and building, you'll find answers there as well.